Welcome to the Blue Mouse Knits. Today I'm going to teach you how to work a knit 3 together. So I'm going to go into the next 3 stitches as if they were just one knit stitch. So I can kind of pull down to leave some room and go into the front loops of 3 stitches at the same time. Yarn over from front to back, pull 1 loop through those and slide those stitches off your left hand needle. Tighten up. I'll show that to you one more time. It can be helpful to kind of pull down on these 3 stitches to leave more room. So we're going to go from left to right into the front loops of all of these. So you can see I have 3 stitches like this. You can see them spread out here with my right needle underneath my left needle. And then I'm going to yarn over, pull a loop through, and slide those 3 off your left hand needle. And then you can kind of tighten up your stitches. That is how you work a knit 3 together. I hope you guys found this helpful. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials.